line.
We don't know anything about football, but we know better than
We know bluegrass though.
Well, we're gonna bring it back down and do a ballady type number.
Can't stay up for too long.
Yeah, it's getting a little too happy for us. This next song that we're gonna play for you is another song off of our fourth record. Our fourth record is called Saturn Return. And a Saturn Return, thank you. I'm so glad that you know that record that was buried underneath COVID. A Saturn Return is a moment that most people have as they graduate from being a child into adulthood, and it happens when you're in your late 20s and early 30s. And for most people, it can be kind of a bumpy transition, and it was quite bumpy for the two of us as a group and individually as well. And a lot of the songs that we wrote in preparation for that record were kind of in the trenches of our realization that we're grown-ups now, and we can't blame anything on youth or naivety or stupidity anymore. We are grown-ups, and we have to face everything that comes with that, and it's not always fun, as most of you probably know. But this next song is a song that we wrote on a day when we were feeling that very common human feeling of not really believing that you're where you should be. Maybe you're too far ahead or too far behind, or you haven't met a goal that you've had, or maybe you're not in a career that gives you joy. Maybe you haven't found love. Maybe you don't have children and you want them. Maybe you have children and you don't want them. But we constantly struggle with it, and it's an emotion that we didn't leave behind in our early 30s. It's something that we feel even now, and I imagine we'll probably always feel like we should be somewhere else. And this is a song about struggling with that, and Lydia's gonna sing it. That's Lydia.
In case you wondered.
This song's called Nowhere, Baby.
When I look back on my youth, it's no wonder that I'm here. There's a path made for my footsteps, that finish line is near. Though the years are passing quickly, I believe I'm on my way. But a voice beneath the surface still manages to say, I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere, baby. I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere. I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere, baby. I'm getting nowhere. I made some money, made some friends, and some memories to hold. Crossed the mountains and the valleys, fought the swelter and the cold. From a different angle, maybe this adventure could seem grand, but the one I miss too often is being there to hold your hand. I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere, baby. I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere. I'm getting nowhere, baby, nowhere, baby. I'm getting nowhere. I'm slowing down, but I'm not quitting. I'm looking hard and stepping back, but I will finish what I started. I will keep my suitcase packed. I'm just weary of the working, trading songs for fickle love. And it's time I show myself exactly what I am made of. And that's not a cop-out, not a dream job, not a close but no cigar, and it's not glam.